In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chat history in Microsoft Copilot, a straightforward task that can help you maintain privacy and declutter your AI interactions. We'll take a step-by-step approach to ensure that you understand how easy it is to manage your chat data within Microsoft Copilot. To begin with, you'll want to head over to Microsoft Copilot's website. You can easily search for Microsoft Copilot in your web browser or use the URL provided in the description below. Once you're there, navigate to the Chats section, which is where all your previous interactions with the AI are stored. This section allows you to view, manage, and organize your conversations effectively. Now, to proceed with deleting your chat history, look for an option or button labeled Delete. This will typically be located next to or within the chat history section, ensuring that it's readily accessible for users who wish to remove unneeded conversations. Clicking on this delete button prepares your selected chat history for removal. Once you've clicked delete, you might notice another confirmation prompt, possibly labeled with a similar delete button. This step serves to prevent accidental deletions, allowing you one final moment to verify that you indeed wish to remove the selected chats. It acts as a safeguard to help you avoid losing any important or unsaved information inadvertently. Confirm this action by clicking on the delete prompt. As simple as that, your selected chat history will be permanently removed from the system. Before we wrap up, a few additional tips for managing your chat history effectively. Regularly reviewing and decluttering your chat history can help keep your space organized and easy to navigate. Additionally, be mindful of what information you choose to keep or delete based on your usage and privacy needs. If there's any specific data you might need in the future, consider exporting or backing up important conversations before hitting that delete button. As a quick reminder, if you ever feel uncertain about any step in this process, don't hesitate to revisit this video or refer to Microsoft's support resources for further guidance. Being proactive about managing your digital tools not only enhances your productivity, but also optimizes your overall experience with Microsoft Copilot. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to delete your chat history in Microsoft Copilot. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more content that helps you make the most of your digital workspace. Until next time, happy organizing